ADHD attention struggles may be misunderstood. The wiring of ADHD brains can be a secret weapon for productivity. Studies show ADHD brains can trigger flow states more effectively than neurotypical brains. This challenges traditional beliefs about attention and productivity. The neuroscience behind ADHD reveals surprising advantages. ADHD brains have elevated dopamine sensitivity. Enhanced pattern recognition is another advantage of ADHD brains. These traits create a foundation for peak performance. ADHD is not a deficit, but an evolutionary advantage. Traditional focus techniques can hinder ADHD brain architecture. Flow state protocols align with how ADHD brains process information. Conventional concentration methods can be exhausting for ADHD individuals. Flow states allow for effortless concentration lasting hours. For ADHD brains, flow states are a natural habitat. The challenge-skill balance is key to entering flow. Tasks must be challenging, yet not overwhelming for optimal flow. ADHD brains have a wider tolerance for this balance. This allows access to flow across diverse activities. Traditional advice suggests eliminating distractions. However, ADHD brains require specific stimulation for attention. Silence and sterile environments can reduce performance. Structured novelty creates environments with consistent stimulation. This approach satisfies the ADHD brain's craving for novelty. Clear task boundaries and feedback loops are essential. Most people fight their brain's natural patterns. Designing systems that work with neurochemistry is crucial. Leveraging ADHD-specific advantages transforms work into energizing flow. Recognizing unique attention rhythms is the first step. Building attention architecture around natural peaks is vital. Schedule challenging work during neurochemical prime times. Use transition periods strategically rather than resisting them. Participants reported tasks feeling addictive with flow protocols. The challenge itself becomes the reward in flow. ADHD brains can rewire to crave deep work. Urgency and deadlines can be flow triggers. Transforming time pressure into performance-enhancing fuel is powerful. This shift revolutionizes project approaches and problem solving. Brain imaging shows ADHD individuals have stable prefrontal cortex activity and flow. Weakness becomes strength through proper activation. Transformation can happen quickly with these protocols. Participants often experience sustained flow sessions within days. Each session builds momentum for easier access to flow. This approach reframes ADHD as a neurotype needing optimization. The conversation shifts from limitation to liberation. ADHD brains are high-performance systems with different operating instructions. With the right inputs, they outperform conventional systems. Creativity and problem-solving are enhanced in ADHD brains. Companies are recognizing the value of neurodiversity. ADHD individuals can become top performers in aligned environments. Gradually build flow-triggering systems into routines. Allow adaptation to high-performance states without overwhelming stress. Subscribe for more neuroscience-backed performance strategies. Understanding your brain's potential changes everything. This knowledge impacts work and life possibilities.